Welcome to Kenza Byte. Visit Smspva website and register yourself. Enter unique username and real email address and password. I am using here temp email, but you must use your real email. Click on Sign Up. Now check your mail and confirm the email address. From here you top up. Add some balance to website. They provide multiple payment gateways. You can use any method. After adding the balance, you can get API from this profile option. So this API key will be used with our Telegram account maker tool. Don't share this key with anyone. Keep it secret. Thanks for watching Kenza Byte.